Hello and welcome. If you've been on a weight loss journey for a while, you may have experienced a frustrating phenomenon known as a weight loss plateau. This occurs when you've been steadily losing weight for a period of time, but then suddenly hit a wall and can't seem to lose any more. Don't worry, though, a weight loss plateau is a common obstacle and can be overcome with some simple lifestyle changes. Today, we'll be discussing 7 lifestyle changes to overcome your weight loss plateau and get back on track to achieving your goals. Change number 1, increase your physical activity. If you've been following a consistent exercise routine but have hit a plateau, it might be time to up the intensity or frequency of your workouts. This could mean adding more weight to your strength training routine, incorporating more high-intensity interval training into your cardio sessions, or simply increasing the duration of your workouts. It's also important to make sure you're incorporating movement throughout your day, even if it's just taking a short walk during your lunch break or using a standing desk instead of sitting for prolonged periods. Change number 2, track your calories. If you've been eating the same amount of food for a while and have stopped losing weight, it's possible that you're simply consuming too many calories. Tracking your daily caloric intake using a food diary or app can help you get a better understanding of how much you're consuming and where you might be able to make adjustments. Remember to be honest and accurate in your tracking. Every bite, lick, and taste counts. Change number 3, switch up your diet. This doesn't necessarily mean going on a restrictive or fad diet, but rather making some tweaks to your current eating habits. For example, you could try increasing your protein intake, reducing your carbohydrate intake, or focusing on more whole foods instead of processed options. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Change number 4, manage your stress. Stress can have a major impact on weight loss, as it can cause your body to produce cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to weight gain. If you're feeling stressed, try incorporating stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Getting enough sleep, practicing good time management, and avoiding overcommitting yourself can also help reduce stress levels. Change number 5, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for weight loss, as it can help you feel full and reduce cravings. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider incorporating other hydrating beverages like herbal tea or coconut water into your routine. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice, as these can add unnecessary calories to your diet. Change number 6, get enough sleep. Sleep is another important factor in weight loss, as lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a consistent sleep routine. Avoid electronics before bed, and create a calm and relaxing sleep environment to help you get the best rest possible. Change number 7, seek support. Seeking support can be crucial in overcoming a weight loss plateau. Whether it's through a support group, a personal trainer, or a friend who's also on a weight loss journey, having someone to hold you accountable and provide encouragement can make all the difference. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it, and remember that progress is possible with consistency and perseverance. Remember, hitting a weight loss plateau can be frustrating, but it's important to stay motivated and keep pushing forward. By implementing these 7 lifestyle changes, you can overcome your plateau and continue on your weight loss journey. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. With dedication and a positive mindset, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.